In this lessons, congratulations, you're finally going to learn the full musical alphabet. So excited for you. This is phenomenal. So the 12 notes of music, we're just going to jump straight into it. Now, the first thing I want to point out is that there are less common enharmonic equivalents, and those are in parentheses. You can see that C flat, B sharp, F flat, and E sharp, those are not very commonly used enharmonic equivalents. It's very rare actually to see those enharmonic equivalents used. So you actually can kind of forget about those enharmonic equivalents for now and just think about B as being B and C as being C instead of B as possibly being C flat. You're very, very rarely going to see a C flat, very, very rarely going to see a B sharp, and likewise, very rarely going to see an E sharp or an F flat. Very rare. So the full musical alphabet works just like the regular musical alphabet in the sense that we go higher this way and we go lower this way. So let's take a moment and listen to example 54 so we can hear the full musical alphabet. And on the next page and in the next lesson, we're actually going to see this written out in music notation. But for now, let's just look at the names and the order and hear the sound, and then we'll talk about next steps. So here's the full musical alphabet. We'll listen through it one time, then I'll talk through it. Now back down, so descending from high to low. This time I'm going to stop and start and I'm going to talk through it. So we have A sharp, or B flat is the way you're going to say it. So A sharp, or B flat. The next note is B. And notice between B and C, there's no sharp or flat note. So like between A and B, we have indeed a sharp note. And we're going to unpack this a little bit more in the next lesson when we talk about the pattern of the full musical alphabet. C sharp, D sharp, or E flat, E, F. Again, no sharps or flats between E and F. F sharp or G flat, G sharp or A flat, A sharp or B flat, B, C sharp or D flat, D sharp or E flat, E, F sharp or G flat, G sharp or A flat, A. I'll see you in the next lesson. Hey there, if you want to learn more about music theory, I highly recommend right now going to grab the 10 things everyone should know about music theory. It's a free download for you that you can get right now. There's a link in the description, also in the pinned comment below this video. So what are you waiting for? Go grab that thing and I will see you in the next video.